Hey guys, so I've had the iPad Pro for a year now and I love it, but I wanted to be able to type better on it, like taking notes during class or sitting on my couch and typing away. So bam, I got this fancy new keyboard attachment, the iPad Pro Magic Keyboard. Some quick facts about it: it only works with the iPad Pro, so if you got the iPad Air or one of the other ones, it doesn't work. These magnets are like really freaking strong. Like this comes off and then goes, this goes up, then goes on pretty well. Like this isn't gonna fall off. As you can see like this, it's not gonna fall off. It's really strong, and I've held it like this. You can hold it sideways like this. And I think it's because this actual iPad case is about the same weight, I think maybe even a little more weight than the actual iPad. So if I compare these two in my hand, they're pretty similar. They're really close in weight. And the reason is this case is just so nice and sturdy. Another cool thing is that it has USB-C pass-through charging, so I can plug a wire into the side of the case and it'll charge the iPad, which I found is pretty cool. What I've found after using this for maybe 2-3 weeks is I actually start to use it as a mini laptop. So I have my desktop on my main desk, and then on the side I actually have this little foldable nice iPad. And I'll find that I can take it around, like when I leave the apartment, which is very little right now during coronavirus. But when I leave the apartment, this is much easier to carry around, and I can do most things that I need to do on it. Unlike my desktop, which first of all loses battery way more quickly, I think is more delicate and just isn't as fun to use. This thing I can just type away, do some swiping, watch some video, and it's really easy to take off actually as well. A lot of people complain that it's harder to kind of take notes on this like this, so if you want to take notes like this, but I don't see what's so hard about you just going like this and then just putting it back on the case. The other thing is it's just really fun to type on. Like I just want to type on it. Typing on it just feels awesome. I love using it. It's made me start to write more even though I don't write anything at all. Some things I don't like about it is there's no escape key. I have nowhere to hit escape on it, so I have to swipe up on the actual screen to do it. Another thing that people don't like is it doesn't flatten out. You can't make it flat, so if you want to take notes, you can't go flat. But I don't think that was the purpose or the point they were trying to do with it. They were trying to make it almost the keyboard is key. It is hard to open up. I found that when I go like this, it's kind of a little bit of a pain and learning curve to open it up, but after a while you kind of get used to it. But I find sometimes that I open the top like this and I just have the back facing out like that, which is not what it's meant to do. First impressions are, yeah, it's expensive, but it's also really cool. It's just really fun to type on, more fun to type on anything that I've really typed on before. It's portable, it's easy to move around, it's easy to charge, and it charges quickly. So yeah, I think it's worth the $300. But if you got to the end here, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.